Hello everyone. Today we will download Visual Studio Code. So I have already searched for it and we will click on the first link. So mine is Windows 11 64-bit. So I'm going to click on this one, the first link. And it started downloading. Once downloaded the exe file, we'll click on it. I accept the agreement, clicking on next. Oops, where is this one? Clicking on next. Here the path is mentioned, so I'll just click on next. To click next now, desktop icon wouldn't be required, so I'm just clicking on next and I'll click on install now. Launch Visual Studio, yes, why not? Finish. So this is how you install Visual Studio Code on your laptop or desktop. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll meet again very, very soon. Bye, guys.